To get started with the Phantom Wallet mobile app, first download and install it from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a new wallet to begin the setup process. You will be given a recovery phrase, which is crucial for accessing your wallet, so make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Next, set up a strong password to secure your wallet, and consider enabling additional security features such as biometric authentication. Phantom Wallet supports multiple blockchain networks, so select the ones you want to use and follow the prompts to complete the setup. To send and receive cryptocurrency, navigate to the Wallet tab and select the asset you want to manage. Tap on Send to enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to transfer. And tap on Receive to display your unique wallet address and QR code. When interacting with decentralized applications, make sure to carefully review the transaction details and approval prompts to avoid any potential risks. Also, keep your wallet and apps up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. To manage your assets effectively, consider setting up multiple wallets for different purposes, such as one for everyday transactions and another for long-term storage. Additionally, use the app's built-in features to track your transaction history and balance in real time. Finally, always be cautious when using the Phantom Wallet mobile app, and never share your recovery phrase or password with anyone. By following these tips and best practices, you can use the Phantom Wallet mobile app with confidence and take full advantage of its features to manage your digital assets securely and efficiently.